Hi everyone, this is easymonies.com. That's EASY-MONEYS.com. And today's video is at the beach. I just decided that after all the hard work that I've done this week, all the promotions with my team, I would take my favorite baby, my Jack Roush custom Mustang, out to the beach with me and just enjoy driving around and having some fun today. So in a bit I'll go probably for a little bit of a drive and share some more information. So first and foremost, I do want to thank everyone who has joined my teams with me at Wealthy Affiliate, my #1 recommendation for online affiliate education, etc., 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 and mentoring from over 1.4 million online entrepreneurs. It's amazing. It's a website that has been created by two fellows from Victoria, BC. They're probably just a 6-hour drive to Vancouver from here, or maybe 4 hours in my Mustang. She's awfully fast. She's got a very fast stick. In fact, there, I'll just put this right down. It would be, let's see, a couple of hour flight by as the crow flies. But to drive, it might take me 4 to 6 hours, and then there's a beautiful ferry or boat trip across to Victoria, and that's where Kyle and Carson and Jay are. So I'm close to the real wheelers and dealers, the movers and shakers. But in any case, so I just wanted to say, since I joined Wealthy Affiliate in January, I remember the date, January 16th, 2016. It's been about 2.5 years now. And I also joined a traffic website on the recommendation of Mr. Tony Lee Hamilton, who's a big top 25 ambassador at Wealthy Affiliate. And I joined Global Moneyline, which is a traffic website that you can join for free and then level up with promotions, of which many of my team members, of my 770 paying team members, have been able to take advantage of and get free traffic. And as well, and I just want to say, a lot of people think Global Moneyline is a scammy website. I'm very sorry. I will have to very respectfully disagree. I have purchased solo ads and just got emails, but no clicks, no monetary value from paying for ads. So the ROI was not worth it. Definitely Global Moneyline, or Moneyline as it's been shortened to, is definitely worth the ROI. In fact, I have grown my entire Wealthy Affiliate referrals list from using Moneyline alone. I don't do any social media. I have started a YouTube channel, which is just early on and building, and lots of fun. I really enjoy it. At some point I'll be able to put my face to my videos, but right now there's a reason why I cannot do that. So you know, it's not that I have a nose that's 10 feet long. Oh, there's a lovely lady. Yes, it's always good to enjoy people who are in good shape, isn't it? In any case, and no, I'm not oriented that way. I'm married, happily married. Just got to enjoy people who are in good shape, and definitely you see that here in a beach town, who's eating too much or eating just right. So and I'm in the medical field, so that kind of information keeps me interested. Thirdly, my final system that I joined together for my Tier 1 money earnings capability. So when I joined MoneyLine on November 6, 2016, the very next day I started earning money. That was my first day. So I went from January 16th, 2016 to November 6th, 2016. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November. So about 9 to 10 months with absolutely no earnings, but paying $50 a month for Wealthy Affiliate. So my original goal was I would give myself 2 years online to prove to myself that I could earn anywhere from 5 to 6 figures per month online within 2 years, and the only costs that I was going to incur within the first year had to be paid back, and they were in spades. I paid out $50 times 10 months. That's $500 for Wealthy Affiliate. I didn't even have a computer. You can see that in my Easy Money's Wealthy Affiliate profile page. I was using an iPad and an iPhone to access Wealthy Affiliate, to write all my blog posts. Like, it was ridiculous. If you've ever tried to do blog posts on an iPad, and you got another thing coming, that's tough. So I eventually bought my MacBook Pro. Hallelujah. And then on December 26th, I thought, okay, I've got this wonderful educational site that everybody needs online. And I've got this wonderful traffic source, which is doing all the work for me. And I was collecting all these email addresses. So that was the next step, to grow my buyers list and potential buyers list and leads and contacts. So I thought, there has got to be some kind of, I saw certain things out there, but, Aweber and MailChimp and GetResponse and this and that, and heard all kinds of things. And I thought, I'm not paying money for this. There is a way for me to get started until I start really earning that has some kind of an email list contact management system where the emails will automatically get entered right from Global MoneyLine when they click. I said, there's got to be some sort of clickable system that enters my emails into my contact management system. And then I wanted this online tool system, if you will, to have also an email autoresponder system that was pretty much done for you. Because I figured these guys are pros. They've been doing this since 1998, the system I found, and they've paid out every single Wednesday since then. They are an amazing company. I trust them. I believe in them. I know the owner. I've met the owner. I've been to live events. They're good people, and you'll see them all over the leaderboards on a lot of the online programs. And lots of them are at Wealthy Affiliate, and lots of them are at Global MoneyLine. So in any case, I found the system, and it also had lead capture pages, and it had all kinds of components with training, amazing training to explain how to actually sell the done-for-you online tools in a box system, so that you and others can earn $500 and $1,000 days online. And I have done both. And I gotta tell you, there's nothing more fun for me after being in a job that, yes, was very well paid, but I worked hard and worked nights and worked weekends and worked New Year's Eve and worked, Christmas Day, and every day of my life went to the hospital and looked after people. And, didn't earn what most of the lawyers earn. Lawyers earn $400 an hour minimum. We would be earning $100 an hour, which, yes, no problem. I have no problem with that, but you take half, that's $50, and then you pay $25 an hour to your receptionist. And so, you don't have that much left after all the costs. It's like $6 per patient that you're getting paid, and then there's a cap, and you can only see 40 per day. So that's 40 times 6, so that's $240 take home. That's not a lot. So, but it is for some. So imagine my delight, my sheer delight when I earned my first $500 day. Someone went in, meaning they joined my lead system site. Then they went all in, which is what I always do. So they leveled up. They bought $7 Lead Lightning. They bought the $30 gold level Power Lead system. They bought they bought the affiliate program for $20 a month. Then they bought endless free leads program for $100 or something like that. I don't even know what they paid. And then they bought something for $400, and I ended up earning $500 in one day. So I had joined Power Lead System December 26th, 2016. I earned $6 within 15 minutes of joining after paying a $7 one-time fee. So I earned lots and lots and lots of Lead Lightning commissions, and then it probably took me 6 months of listening to Franco Gonzalez's Wednesday and Thursday night trainings, a Power Lead System, which are archived on YouTube. I can give you that link below. Check it out below this video. And these YouTube archive trainings by Franco are gold. You have no idea. So in any case, yeah, I think my first $500 day was June or July or August of 2016. And I tell you, I religiously listened every Wednesday night. The trainings are 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So it would be 7 o'clock Pacific time. And even if I was really tired and I fell asleep, I just let Franco's information seep in. And the most wonderful part about what he does is he keeps it super simple. So the whole idea, you'll see the link below to either you can join Free Lead System forever. You don't have to pay a penny. You've got a contact management system. You've got a funnel that's built in for you, a default funnel for it. Then to build your team with, or you can join the $7 one-time only, $6 commissions repeatedly Lead Lightning. See that link below? It's called Lead Lightning Bolt. Or you can join Power Lead System and you can earn $20 residual recurring commissions, which are how you really start to earn money when you grow your team and you have 770 people paying you $20 per month. On top of your wealthy affiliate, $23.50 per month commissions, on top of your Global Moneyline commissions. So, as you can see, you really need these systems to work in combination to achieve automation, replication, and duplication. And duplication is when you develop a team and you teach them how to do what you're doing. And that is how I make money online. I don't worry about Google changing an algorithm on me. I don't worry about writing a million blog posts. I mean, yes, I have a blog. Yes, I do get visitors, but I use it more as for training and information, etc. I'm not going to use Amazon and earn like $1.50 or $5.60 or whatever. I mean, sure, I have Google AdSense, I've got that kind of stuff, but I'm sorry, earning, $500 in a day and $1,000 in a day, yes, that's meaningful wealth. That's when you can quit your job. That's when you can go on holidays. That's when you can go to the beach and be earning money. So that's it for now, guys. This has been Rich Girl at easymonies.com. That's EASY-MONEYS.com. And please, if you like this video, Click the like button, comment below, or critique. I'm happy for either.